Google DeepMind's new AI model, TAPIR, seeing through the lens of AI. Recent advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, have paved the way for groundbreaking developments in various fields. Google DeepMind, one of the leading innovators in AI research, has introduced its latest AI model known as TAPIR, which promises to revolutionize computer vision and perception. This video explores the intelligence and comprehension of TAPIR, highlighting its sophisticated capabilities and potential applications. Part 1. TAPIR, short for Transformers Envision Pipeline, is an AI model developed by Google DeepMind to enhance computer vision systems. This model incorporates transformer-based architectures, which have proven successful in natural language processing tasks, into the realm of computer vision. By leveraging these advanced techniques, TAPIR enables more accurate interpretation and understanding of visual information. Part 2. TAPIR demonstrates a high level of intelligence by effectively exploiting self-attention mechanisms to capture long-range dependencies in visual data. Its ability to accurately recognize objects, understand scenes, and track objects in dynamic situations showcases its superior comprehension of visual stimuli. Part 3. To facilitate TAPIR's intelligent visual perception, it relies heavily on unsupervised learning techniques. Utilizing vast amounts of unlabeled data, TAPIR learns to extract meaningful features, automatically discovering essential visual representations without explicit human annotations. This capability allows TAPIR to develop a deep understanding of visual content by generalizing across different situations. Part 4. Another aspect of TAPIR's intelligence lies in its ability to examine images and videos at various levels of abstraction, from low-level pixel information to high-level semantic concepts. TAPIR's hierarchical processing architecture enables it to recognize visual patterns at multiple scales, making it capable of understanding complex visual scenes with nuanced details. Part 5. One unique aspect that showcases TAPIR's intelligence is its integration of meta-learning strategies. By incorporating meta-learning into the model, TAPIR is capable of adapting to different tasks and datasets more efficiently, thereby enhancing its overall comprehension and performance. Part 6. TAPIR's comprehension extends to the understanding of natural language as well. By fusing visual and textual information, TAPIR can interpret written instructions and generate appropriate responses or actions, making it a valuable tool for tasks that require intelligent visual comprehension. Part 7. The potential applications of TAPIR are extensive and could revolutionize fields such as autonomous driving, robotics, and augmented reality. Its enhanced perception capabilities can empower autonomous vehicles to make more informed decisions, while its real-time object recognition and tracking abilities can enhance the accuracy and efficiency of robotic systems. Part 8. TAPIR's intelligence and comprehension can greatly benefit the healthcare sector as well. Its ability to analyze medical images, identify anomalies, and assist in disease diagnosis can significantly improve medical practitioners' accuracy and efficiency, leading to better patient outcomes. Part 9. Ethical considerations are paramount when discussing AI models with such considerable intelligence and comprehension. Google DeepMind must ensure transparency, accountability, and responsible deployment of TAPIR to address potential biases and ensure AI systems do not perpetuate discrimination or unethical practices. In conclusion, Google DeepMind's AI model, TAPIR, exhibits an exceptional level of intelligence and comprehension in the domain of computer vision. With its ability to accurately perceive visual information, adapt to different tasks, and integrate with natural language processing, TAPIR holds immense promise for advancing various industries. However, it is crucial to accompany these advancements with ethical considerations to ensure AI technology is used responsibly for the betterment of society.